There's a cat inside the box with a poison inside it. So, we don't know when the poison will be released. If we close the box, then the cat is either dead or alive. This is a famous thought experiment, which is known as Schrodinger's cat experiment. We all heard about this thought experiment, but have you ever seen this equation? This is the Schrodinger equation. Let's derive the equation and see what it tells us. Let's take this part of the equation which says, this is psi and these two symbols are known as quantum state. Before knowing about quantum state, you need to know about quantum system. For example, if you are trying to study about the electrons inside the hydrogen atom, that is known as quantum system of electrons in hydrogen atom. Whatever you study it deep down is known as quantum system. Quantum state is known as the mathematical representation of a quantum system. We are studying about the behavior of the quantum state, and the Schrodinger equation tells us exactly how this quantum state should behave. Here I and h bar are constants. I is square root of -1. Well, square root of -1 is also possible. Let's discuss that in our next video. Now, d by dt here, how fast something changes respect to time. So when an object is not traveling at same speed all the time, we use calculus. Here the symbol represents the Hamiltonian operators. This symbol represent operator. So totally this is the total energy of the system. So, we can call this as quantum state size changing with the time, in a specific way depending on the total energy of the system. This equation allows us to predict how a quantum system should behave if we can mathematically write down all of the energy terms of the system. But to derive this all we need a massive supercomputers. Because if we take the Hamiltonian operators, which looks like this represents the kinetic energy of the first electron. This would be second. And this represents the electrostatic attraction of the nucleus to the first electron. The more the electrons, the more the equation.